Well, the old Sirocco II fan has been on the market here in Australia for quite a few years. And look, we have seen a lot of them in action. But what is involved in the installation? Now, that's why we're here in the Titanium Caravans factory. I'm here with Jason, the owner of Titanium Caravans. Mate, why do you use the Sirocco II?
Well, throughout the build of the van, we like to use quality brand name products, and the Sirocco fan just meets all our requirements. They're a good quality fan. You can point them in any direction, and they're really easy to install.
So the vans run off 12 volt. I mean, do we need an electrician for this job?
No, you don't. So it's 12 volts, so anyone can install them at home. So we're going to go and grab Gavin now, and we're going to see how they're installed. Let's go take a look.
All right, I'm keen.
Gavin's going to unbox the fan for us. So a few parts here. You've got a bag full of bits, and you've got the fan itself. So in the bag of bits, you've got your mounting plate. That goes on first. So we've got the mounting bracket here. Pull your wire through, and then we screw the mounting bracket to the wall or the roof. In this situation, it's the roof. So now that the mounting bracket's been fixed to the roof, we can strip the wires and put the connectors on using some crimps. Now you can use your wires to crimp these, but we like to use hydraulic crimps. It's just a safer way, it's more accurate. So one on the positive, one on the negative. So now that we've got our screw connectors on the wires, we're just gonna loosen off the terminals, and then we're gonna put positive on the positive, negative on negative, and tighten those up. So the ATX comes with 2 fans standard. You can option as many as you like. We often have 1 fan per bunk, and sometimes we put a couple more fans in the living area. But mainly you want them near your bed so you can have them blowing on you through the night. So Gavin's just got the terminals going on now. Once he's tightened them up, he'll be able to screw the fan to the mounting bracket he fitted earlier. The terminals are on, tighten them up, make sure they're not going to come off on corrugations, and then we'll fit the fan to the mounting bracket. 2 final screws to hold the fan onto the mounting bracket, and job done. Great job, Gav. Looks good.
Thank you.
It's going to keep us cool at night. We've been using these Sirocco fans at Titanium Caravans for over 10 years. They're great quality. We never have any dramas.
So is that job done?
That's it, Max. Job done.
It looks really, really easy to do.
Not really easy. Let's go find a finished van and we can show everyone how to use it.
Yeah, perfect. So we're inside this finished caravan, nicely installed Sirocco II fans. Like, Jason, when you go away, do you find that they make much of a difference?
Oh, they make a massive difference, Max. The beauty of the Sirocco is they do point in any direction. So we've got it pointed over at the dinette. We can point it at the kitchen while we're meal prepping or cleaning up. And most importantly, you flip it around and it's on you in bed. They're really great.
Well, we've seen the Sirocco II be installed. It's also got a 3-year warranty. Jason, if you don't mind, I think I just want to try it out.
Go for it, Max. I'm a fan.
You're a fan? Me too. I'm a fan of bad puns as well.
Another really easy Sirocco fan installation. Job well done.